In this version of the Japanese style tiny home floor plan, I've made several thoughtful adjustments based on functional use and spatial harmony. One of the first changes I made was to slightly shift the corner sofa arrangement. This small modification makes big a difference in ensuring personal space and comfort, allowing users to sit without unintentionally touching one another, which enhances flexibility in communal seating. For the kitchen area, I maintained the original placement, which I found efficient, but enriched it with subtle addition like a refrigerator cover for a cleaner look, and wall-mounted hanging cabinet to optimize vertical space without crowding the floor area. Moving to the bathroom, I preserved the basic layout but chose to minimize cabinet usage due to concern about humidity and long-term maintenance. The focus here was simplicity and functionality without compromising hygiene or comfort. One of the more significant transformation is the replacement of the large sofa near the wall. Instead of a bulky seat, I introduced a communal table setup, a more versatile space that can function as a shared workspace, dining area, or casual meeting spot. Beneath the table, I include a multifunctional cabinet to store essential items discreetly and helping to maintain a clean and open environment. This revised layout maintains the principle of Japanese minimalism and practicality while enhance flexibility, circulation, and functionality in a small space living concept.